This 2018 K-Z Sportster 342THR13 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Anna, Illinois, 62906 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Anna. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.